Topical uses for castor oil: arthritis treatment to strengthen and grow hair, acne treatment, skin moisturizer, deep cleanser to improve immunity function, to eliminate fine lines and wrinkles, reduce swelling and inflammation, support lymphatic system, increase circulation, heal wounds and abrasions, relieve menstrual cramps. Oral uses for castor oil: relieve constipation, clean out intestines before surgery, induction of labor. Castor oil is considered a vegetable oil that is pale yellow in color and is produced by crushing the seeds of the castor oil plant. Castor oil is particular type of triglyceride fatty acid with nearly 90% of its fatty acid substance is ricinoleic acid, which is an unsaturated omega-3 fatty acids. Natural arthritis remedy: castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties make it an excellent massage oil for arthritic joint, sore muscles and inflammation of your nerves. Getting rid of stretch marks. Stretch marks are often caused by pregnancy and rapid weight gain, but can also be a result of aging, hormonal imbalance, sudden weight loss and swelling. Its rich contents and various fatty acids make it an excellent moisturizer and effective treatment for getting rid of unsightly stretch marks. Using your fingers, massage enough castor oil over the stretch marks to cover the entire affected area. Covering the area with a heating pad or hot water bottle will speed up the results. Castor oil for treating acne. The common skin condition acne is a result of impurities accumulating in your pores, causing the skin to become irritated and inflamed. Many of the acne remedies on the market today contain benzoyl peroxide and salicylic acid, which tend to dry out the skin. Castor oil, similar to using neem oil, is a natural resource that will draw out dirt, dead skin cells, excess oils and bacteria without drying out the skin. Place a bowl of boiling water on a stable surface and grab a towel. Holding the towel over your head, lean over the bowl of water. Doing this opens up your pores, which allows castor oil to penetrate your skin deeply. Keep your face over the bowl for several minutes. Take a wash cloth and moisten it with warm water and apply a small dim-sized amount of castor oil to the cloth. Gently rub the affected area with the washcloth. Leave the castor oil on your skin overnight. When you wake up, remove the castor oil using a damp towel to wipe away the oil. Deep facial cleanser. Along with treating acne, you can use castor oil as a deep facial cleanser. Castor oil as a deep cleanser will get rid of pimples fast. Deep clean your skin of dirt, bacteria, dead skin cells and excess oils while keeping your skin soft, supple and flawless. Eliminating fine lines and wrinkles. Castor oil is great for reducing fine lines and wrinkles because it penetrates deep into your skin, which stimulates the production of elastin and collagen. These two components in the skin are responsible for elasticity and tautness. Castor oil's emollient properties allow the skin to quickly absorb it, keeping your face hydrated and plump, which is also important in reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. For maximum benefits, apply oil to your face at night before going to bed. Castor oil for hair growth. Castor oil, and more precisely Jamaican black castor oil, has become a popular treatment for growing healthier, thicker hair. When regularly used on your roots, it can increase hair growth, reduce hair damage from products and styling, hydrate hair, make hair shiner and fuller, prevent dry scalp and improve the overall health of your hair. When you apply it to the ends of the hair, the castor oil can help reduce frizz and repair split ends. Relieve constipation. Castor oil is a popular way to relieve constipation. The various components in the natural constipation remedy act as a powerful laxative, stimulating both the small and large intestine and purging the colon walls, allowing impacted fecal matter to move through the colon. The fatty acids in the castor oil also work to prevent liquid from being absorbed by the intestinal tract, helping the bowel to retain its moisture, which allow it to pass through the colon easier. Improving immune function. Using castor oil regularly is believed to improve various immune system functions, including lymphatic drainage, thymus gland health, and blood flow absorption of the oil. Relieve sunburn. With the same cooling sensation as aloe, castor oil is great for alleviating pain sunburns. The ricinoleic acid will protect any blisters that pop up from becoming infected and reduce the inflammation associated with sunburns. Lengthen eyelashes with castor oil. The vitamin E, protein, minerals and antibacterial properties of castor oil can help strengthen and lengthen your eyelashes when applied on a regular basis. Relieve symptoms of migraines. A natural pain reliever, castor oil is great for relieving headaches and migraines. To help relieve symptoms of migraines and headaches, rub a teaspoon of oil into your forehead for about a minute. You should start feeling the effects within 2 to 3 minutes. Reduce menstrual cramps. Massaging warm castor oil over your abdomen can be an excellent way to relieve the symptoms of menstrual cramps and period pain. Relieve insomnia. If you suffer from insomnia, castor oil can help you fall asleep. Instead of taking harmful and sometimes habit-forming medication to help your insomnia, rub castor oil along your eyelids before going to bed. Your body absorbs the oil, promotes healthy circulation, helping you to become more relaxed, inducing help you sleep. Subscribe and check out these cool videos.